Let's try. Everything looks well. I wanna create a new one. You know the for shops we need I don't know. We need a JSON body. So okay, row as a JSON. Okay. Let me remember our fields. Our fields are workshop, workshop, and of course we don't need ID. We just need name. I don't know, brand, address, and avenue. This this 184 telephone. Okay. An employee. We need an employee first. Okay. We don't have an employee, but I want to create manually. Okay, and then we will complete from code. So insert into employee set name Carlos dot type type will be one as a manager. Telephone will be this an address also. Whatever. Employment date equal to now. Let me try. Employment date is employment. Okay, it's missing an E. Okay, so for employee, we've got our first employee, which is Carlos. Who is Carlos? Okay, so I wanna try this. Okay, it seems that our sub was inserted. Let's verify in our database. Post this. So select from shop. So we've got our first employee brand and the son 194 and employee 1. Okay. Let's continue. We can modify our what? The first one, JSON. I want to say I want to modify our the name. It's a shop name, so I don't know. Okay, SAG, something like this. SAG. So let's update. It changes we've got the quantity of rows that were affected. So uh, shop and market set again. Save. Finally, I wanna delete it. And nobody just delete it. So it's not working. It's not working. Let's check again our code. Of course, we need our ID file. Let's start again. I'm gonna say delete the shop one. Okay. Invalid message is closed. Let me check something here. Delete from check. It's okay. You prepared it. Okay. First of all, so we'll get it. Yeah. Second, something wrong with the response after the deletion. So I thought we need to change our response. This send maybe it's returning a number, right? So success. Doesn't work for the other ones. No? For it looks understandable. It okay, success again, the same idea here and the same idea here. Okay, I'm gonna try it again, the same flow. Okay, shop 2, I wanna ask for shop 2. We've got the shop 2. I wanna modify the shop 2 as the same idea in Marco is sack. Okay, success 0. Finally delete, but in this case, it returns 0 because no one was modifiable because there did not exist our shop 2, shop 1. So shop 2 it will return 1. Okay, I'll delete the shop 2. Nice. This is what I was waiting. It was well. Yes, we need to define the same idea from employee controller. Okay, it's very similar. It's very similar. No. Let me check again. It's very similar with soap. So I'm gonna say we can copy paste. We can copy and paste. Okay. But in this case, of course, you don't need a shop. You need an employee. Everything it would say shop. I want to say employee. Employee. Okay. But in this case, shop has an special, an extra attribute, which is employment date. Employment date will be our, it will be created here. So body dot employment date. Copy. Employment date. And I say new date. Okay, new date. And here, because you can change the employment date, delete employment date. Just that's it. So in our employee, we will copy everything. It's very similar. In this case, from services, we don't need a shop service. Else, employee service, like this. Employee service ID, find by ID. Okay, very similar, right? Very similar. And of course, we are forgetting our service here. We need to define our controller for employee. It's here, but employees controller is right. Maybe our model employee, it's right. Okay. So what else? What is missing? Employee service. Okay, you will receive an employee model. Of course, a controller will say employee. Okay, employee controller. Employee receive here, and we will create everything. I wanna try if everything is working well. So I wanna create a new folder here. I'm gonna say employee. Okay. That's an idea. I wanna duplicate here. Okay, you here. It's not a copy. It's an employee. Okay. Employees. Let's go. We got a 404 because in our index we need to reference to our employee roles. Okay. And so employee guess what? Employee roles. See here, employees, plural. Let's try again. Okay, let me check if query was executed. Select ID, name, type, telephone, doing. Query ID is equal to 2. It works well. It's working well. So I can copy the post also. I'm gonna create a new employee. Uh, Employees. Okay. About it, job body is very similar. Very similar. Name, type, any type, right? You know the type. It will be a manager, an accountant, or a clerk. I want to say manager. Telephone, which is here. Address, which is here. Employment date is not necessary from the report body. So I want to say another name, William. I want to create our employee. Okay. Send. Success. Okay. Inserito default. Employee. Well, the other one is William. Oh, employee date is null. What's going on here? What's going on? What is going on? We need to check here. Employment date. Maybe we type incorrectly. Oh, okay. Let's try again. What was the typo there? I don't know. Maybe a girl. They are networkers. Maybe. Okay. Let's select again. Okay, it was a date now. So I wanna duplicate the code. Employee. I wanna edit our employees. Right. It was from here. Maybe the same. A name. Maybe it's not the. It's the Diana. It is. Okay, success one. Diana. Okay. And finally, I want to delete them. Duplicate. Don't delete your records. Okay. Employee. Okay. Employees. Two. Accidentally, I removed the two. Our second employee, so William will be removed. Removed? Yes. Oh, William is not working with us anymore. So I wanna ask for employee 3. Nice. But I'm gonna do something interesting here. You know the type is one, but we want to know what type one means. So in this case, I wanna use an inner join in Sequelize in order to cards to in order to get the description or the second of the tier tables. No. So in this case, for example, employee, I wanna say include, and I say model employee type require true. Okay. No, this employee type will be passed as a parameter here. Of course, you know that in our service we've got an employee type, so employee type will be here. Okay. So if we select again, we've got an error. Employee is not associated with employee. Okay. Seems it's correct. It's correct because we didn't define the relationship between both tables. So I want to say here in Sequelize you need to define which table belongs to another table. And also you need to define or to set the foreign key field. So I want to say employee. Okay, employee dot belongs to the employee type. It belongs to an employee type. Okay, and the relationship is foreign key, and the relation of the field is type. Okay. And the same way, our shop belongs to an employee. Okay, and the foreign key is an employee ID. Okay, so in our shop here, I can also say, hey man, I need to include our employee also. Employee, you will receive the employee and include in the query. And when I include in the query, includes and model employee dot require true. And you can also say includes model employee type, which is required also required true, and employee type is from our parameter. Let me guess. Let me try. So, shop needs an employee and employee type, right? Let's try again. What is that? Okay, something wrong with our employees. Let's check employee. Employee require employee type. Employee type, which is required also it throws a parameter employee type from service, and we need more details. Query run. Okay, Sequelize. Maybe let's check the sentence instruction and the query. Okay, Sequelize, employee name, telephone, address, employee ID, employee, employment, policy. For employee ID is equal to 3. Okay, the error was here. Is foreign key. Okay. As you can see here, we need a relationship between our employment type ID and our employee type ID. Okay. It's looking for employment type ID. It's assuming the it's an assumption that the field is called here, but it doesn't identify that we define a type. So let's try again. I wanna try it. I'm gonna try it. Okay, but in this case, I wanna return this one because I was trying with other cases. Okay, we need now our detail from our type. You know, our type is 1, but employee type is 1, and manager their salary is 4,000. That's for employee. What about shop ID? Maybe I forgot to define the same way, man. It's foreign key. Okay. Shop ID. I remember we have select shops. Okay, shop. Oh, we don't have a new shop. I wanna create a new one. Okay. That's in this case, employment ID 3. Okay, which is Diana. Okay, and so I'm gonna ask for that 3 1. Okay. Okay. Shop. What we need. I told her it doesn't respect our syllables. Include as a singular, right? That's the reason it didn't work. I wanna ask again. Oh man, shop left. Get. So now we got our shop, our employee, and our employee type. That's the way you can handle many types. The typical inner join, left join, outer join, and so on. So that's it. That's the way you can build an API, a RESTful API with Sequelize, Node.js, Express, in this case with MySQL database. That's all from my part. Hopefully it's very helpful for you. That's it for me. See you in the other opportunity.